Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cool Creature Kids channel. I'm the Cool Creature Kids mom, and watching all the kids opening toys has made me a little bit jealous, so I decided I was gonna buy a couple of things for myself and open them up for everyone. I found the other day at Barnes & Noble these really cute items that I've seen other people open and decided I wanted some for myself. So I'm gonna open up a Tokidoki Unicorno Frenzies. I believe it's like a little keychain, and those are some of the ones you can get, I think. And I've heard that there's no checklist, so who knows what we'll get today. And I found these Kid Robot Yummy Keycaps. It says featuring art by Heidi Kenny on the bottom of the bag there. And the sticker's kind of covering up which ones you can get. Ugh. That doesn't want to come off, so I'll leave that there. But I'm just gonna get to it. Oh, that's very cute. It looks like a muffin or a cupcake with some sprinkles on it. Very cute. It says Kid Robot and Heidi Kenny on the back there. It is very cute. So I'll be putting that on my key ring. Let's see what the Unicorno Frenzie is. We have this really cool black and gray one. Pretty nice. He's got a little star on his side there with a little face in the middle of it. I don't know if you can zoom in on it there. So I'll be adding this one to my keychain as well. Pretty cool. I think I might buy a couple more of these Tokidoki Unicorno Frenzies. Try for some more, maybe some more colorful ones, but this one's pretty cool looking too. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please continue to watch, comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And maybe I'll do some more videos by myself without the kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.